Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. First and foremost, I want to give out a shout out to Dominique Minichetti. Dominique makes handmade stuff, very well spoken, and I have never seen him on videos. And like 6 days ago, he made an appearance. A couple of days ago, he made another appearance. He did a little giveaway on handmade gear. Now, really nice gear. But the giveaway was so short that it was over within 2 days. Check out Dominique Minichetti and give him a sub. But the purpose for this video is to show the finished product for bait ammo. This is the Beast ferro rod. 1 inch diameter by 6 inches long. And this is a spalted elm handle. Check that out. This is for bait ammo. You guys seen the striker? And I also made him a bottle opener. By the way, a shout out goes to Carolina Chris Outdoors for donating this cast iron bottle opener. Check it out. Check out the beautiful wood. This is black walnut, again from bait ammo. This is going to be the christening of this black walnut bottle opener for bait ammo. And today's beer is from Hanger 24 American Light Premium Lager. Elevated taste, low calorie, and low carb. Cheers. Uh-oh, didn't like that. There it is, folks. Again, Dominique Minichetti, cheers. Man, this is super light. It tastes great though. Carolina Chris Outdoors, cheers. And last but not least, bait ammo. Brian, thank you for donating all that wood. And this is for you. Bottle opener, striker, and the Beast ferro rod. Oh, one more thing before I forget. If you want to win one similar to this and another one that's half of the 6 inch, Jerry's Woodshop and Outdoors calls it the son of a beast. He's given one just like this away with his own custom made handle, a striker, and one like this halfway. Alright folks, see you guys in the next video.